When I gave up my job as a police officer 26 years ago to paint full time and chase that dream of being an artist, I thought all I was going to have to do was focus on creating my art. I had no idea there were so many other skills I was going to need to acquire and so many questions I'd have to answer. Questions like, how do I price my work? What type of work should I be doing? Where do I sell my work? Do I need to create a business name? How do I manage the business accounting? Do I need to create a mailing list? How do I create a website? Do I need to have a social media following? Should I do prints? How do I deal with galleries? How do I even talk about my art? Should I do juried shows? And what about commissions? And oh, yeah, copyright. What's that all about? And do I need to register my business? And if so, sole proprietorship or LLC? Never mind the even deeper issues like understanding how important mindset is and how the art world really works. And oh, yeah, composition. What's that all about? How about understanding the difference between practice mode, process mode, and product mode? And the need to develop a unique artistic voice that's absolutely essential for success. Not only did I not know the answers to these questions back then, I didn't even know I should be asking myself those questions. So it's no wonder it took me 5 years before I made $30,000 in 1 year from the sale of my art. Fast forward 26 years, now I've been consistently making multiple six figures from my art for over a decade. And I often thought if I had to do it all over again, oh my God, I could have done it so much faster if I knew then what I know now. Well, then in 2017, I had the opportunity to put that to the test. I was able to prove that not only could you get to that 30,000 mark much quicker than I did, it was possible to go from being a hobby painter to $30,000 in earnings in as little as 1 year. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom plan crafted for exactly where you are right now on that artistic journey with specific objectives and goals to get you to that $30,000 mark as quickly as possible. So if you dream of making a living from your art, I really, really encourage you to stick around to the end of the video. Now, that seems like a pretty bold claim I'm making. Like, how can I be so sure of that? Well, in 2017, I began mentoring a young artist who did just that. Enter Brooke, the daughter of a friend of mine. And we met once a month. We filmed all of our sessions, which you can still see on this channel under my mentorship series. And by working really, really hard and following my advice, Brooke was able to make $30,000 in her very first year of pursuing art full time. By year two, she could barely keep up with the demand for her work. She'd won a bunch of awards, and she was actually selling her work internationally, often at higher prices than my own work. And she was self-publishing her prints, which she was also selling internationally. And today she's living in Vienna, and she has a legion of international collectors who buy her work pretty much as fast as she can paint it. And she's got over 500,000 followers on social media. So how was she able to do that? How was she able to achieve a level of success in just 1 year that had taken me 5 years? Now, I'm sure some of you out there thinking, well, she was probably just more talented than you. And that's a fair question. But that's not the case. So look, this is the level of work that I was doing while I was still on the police force. And I had already, remember, been elected as a senior signature member to the Canadian Institute of Portrait Artists. I'd been elected as a member to the Canadian Society of Painters in Watercolor. I'd had my work exhibited in numerous international shows, and I'd won a number of awards. I'd also participated in a number of art festivals. I'd had by that time 5 of my own studio open houses at my home. I had a thriving portrait business going on the side, and I'd sold well over 100 paintings by then. Now, when I started mentoring Brooke, these are some of the first paintings that she did. And as you can see, she was good. She had a fair bit of skill and talent, but she wasn't great. Up until this point, she'd never entered a jury show, never mind won an award. She was basically pursuing art as a serious hobby while she got her degree in landscape architecture. She'd sold a few paintings to friends and family, and she was starting to develop her art as a bit of a side hustle. But I think kind of on every aspect of kind of an artist in terms of skill level, in terms of like my CV, in terms of awards I'd won, all of that kind of stuff, and also where my art business was, I was further ahead than Brooke when I left the police station. Yet it still took me 5 times as long. And why was that? It's because I wasted so much time and effort on the wrong things at the wrong time. There's a phenomenon that goes like this. Even if you just put a little bit of effort into the right thing, it can have a huge impact. By the same token, you can put a huge amount of effort into the wrong thing and it will have little or no impact. And that's what I was doing in those first few years when I left the police force. When I mentored Brooke, she was able to put a huge amount of effort into the right things at the right time. And that resulted in two things. It resulted in her work getting markedly better very fast and led to her huge success. Now, I just want to make one thing clear here. I'm not claiming all of the responsibility for Brooke's success. She was incredibly passionate about art. She had an incredible work ethic and she had a hunger to learn and she did the work. But the point is, by focusing all of that effort on the right things in the right time, she was able to achieve that level of success much faster than I did and much faster than most other artists do. So if you've been struggling to make a living from your art or you dream of becoming a successful professional artist, I got some great news for you. There are just four things that you need to become successful. You need to have a passion for art. You need to have a solid work ethic and you have to have a willingness to learn. And those three things you need to provide. But you also need one other thing that's key. You need a plan. And that's where I come in. Because today, my new book launched on Amazon. You Can Sell Your Art. This is a step-by-step guide to creating a livable income from your art. This book contains everything I wish I'd known when I was starting out and all of the stuff that helped Brooke on her journey and helped her to achieve success so fast. And starting this Tuesday during launch week, you can get the ebook for just $2.99 and the paperback for $9.99. But that's not all. I believe in the power of this book to change lives so strongly that I'm going to make it a total no-brainer. At the back of the book, there's a bonus page with a URL link to a website that will let you get some amazing bonuses absolutely free. You can get my full online course, Creating Your Plan for Success. That's a $199 value. That's part of my Unstoppable Artist program. You get that absolutely free. And if you claim that bonus before January 30th, you're also going to get one free live group Zoom call with me where I'll answer your questions, I'll critique paintings, and I'll offer coaching advice. Oh, yeah. And you'll get my cheat sheet of the 10 most common compositional weaknesses. That's over $300 value worth of courses that you can get for $299 for the ebook or $9.99 for the paperback. Now, if you don't know me, you're probably asking yourself, who is this guy? Why should I listen to him? Well, I'm going to steal a line from Alex Hermosi here, who says, to learn success, you need to find people who have done two things. First of all, they have to have actually achieved that success themselves in whatever field you're interested in. And secondly, and just as importantly, they've helped others achieve success as well. Well, I fit that bill. Now, I know this sounds a little braggy and I feel a little cringy saying this, but I need to say this not to impress you, but to impress upon you just what actually is possible as an artist. In terms of my own career, aside from being elected to two of Canada's most prestigious arts organizations, I've sold several $1,000,000 worth of my art over the past 26 years. I've been represented by one of the world's top fine art publishers, and now I self-publish my own prints that we sell internationally. I've been the top selling artist at numerous art festivals as well as a number of commercial galleries. Oh yeah, and I ran my own gallery successfully for 5 years before we decided to shut it when COVID hit. And earlier this year, one of my paintings was accepted in the Royal Collection Trust of King Charles. Yes, the King Charles. And we just recently moved into our dream home in Cobble Beach. That's a luxury golf resort on the shores of Georgian Bay. So I think according to Hormozy's thing, I've achieved success. As far as helping others, it's not just Brooke. That experience of mentoring Brooke and actually being able to change her life led me to opening my own art academy. I had a couple very serious health issues, and I realized it was no longer going to be enough for me just to crank out more paintings and make lots of money. I wanted to help change other people's lives, other people who wanted that dream as much as I had, but had no idea how to get there. And I wanted to do it at scale. And in 2020, we launched the Tim Packer Art Academy, an online platform that so far has allowed me to help thousands of artists. Artists like Emily Valentine, who, when she joined, was studying to be a veterinarian. She dreamed of being an artist, but she just didn't believe she was talented enough. After seeing one more of my YouTube videos where I said it's not about talent, it's about how hard you're willing to work, she actually took that step and joined my very first online webinar. And guess what? At her very first show, the Toronto Artist Project, Emily sold out her booth entirely. And despite raising prices over the next few shows, she had a total sellout at her next two shows as well. She had to resort to bringing in paintings that she'd given to her parents, hanging them in her booth and just saying not for sale so that she didn't have to sit by an empty booth for the last 2 days of the shows. And now she's making a very good living selling her originals and prints online to devoted followers of her social media. Oh, yeah, one more thing. Last year, she won the People's Choice first prize at the Kellogg's Art Comp competition, which that in itself is nice, but it came with a $50,000 check. And then there's Emma Hainstock Jones. She had sales of $24,000 of her artwork in her very first year. That's despite never having sold a painting before in her life. And she did that while she was just pursuing art part-time, while she also pursued her PhD. Or Monica Marquez Gattaca. She doubled her income in 1 year from 20,000 to 40,000. Or how about Ross Wheeler? He won first prize in the very first jury show he ever entered. And earlier this year, he was part of a two-man show, Brushes of the Ohio Valley, at the Pump House Center for the Arts in Ohio. And Amy Adams, she was named an artist to watch by the Artist magazine, and she won an honorable mention in their international juried competition. I could go on, but that's just a few of the success stories from artists who have joined my art academy. Oh, and I've also been successful at running an online art academy. We just passed $600,000 in lifetime course sales earlier this year. And right now, you can access all of that information, all of the stuff I wish I knew back then for just $2.99 for my ebook or $9.99 for the paperback. Plus, over $300 in bonuses, but that's still not all. I'm so sure that you're going to love my book. You can get 5 free chapters right now. And even these 5 free sample chapters, they're packed with information that you can put into practice right now. And after you read the 5 free chapters, just imagine how impactful the entire book with 38 chapters will be. So $2.99 for the ebook and $300 worth of bonuses, or $9.99 for the paperback and $300 worth of bonuses. If you have the dream of making a living from your art, of going into your studio every day and doing what you love to do and making a good living from it, this should be the biggest no-brainer of your life. So what do you say? Give me a chance to change your life. Click on the link in the description, download the 5 free chapters, and I'm sure you're going to want to purchase the entire book after that. Don't make all the mistakes that I did. Don't spend years of struggling, spending time on the wrong things at the wrong time. Take that first step. Give me a chance to change your life. I'm Tim Packer, and I thank you for your time.